I was wrong, I hurt you. Did you have to hurt me too? Did you think revenge will make it better? I don't care about the past, I just want love to last. There's no way to bring us back together. I must forgive you must forgive me too. If you wanna try to put things back the way they used to be, 'cause there's no sense in going over and over the same things as before. So let's not bring the past back anymore.
Thank you, Benjamin.
Thank you very much. Right, that was our contestant.